The video started is I wake up. I like this. This video is for the claim, and I wake up. They drug me with different drugs. The normal. I play that fucking organ properly. With the drugs, I'm sober, and the drug is a poison. It's killing me. Anyway, they put the keys in the car, and when I started, okay? They know that I have a starter for me starting thing, but that's a 30 fair. This sort of shit that I can't get up in the morning without these fucking gutless fucking lying fucking mongrel dogs. I've been in the police. Is there anything you want me to tell you? I don't know what it is. Tell me, and I might be able to tell you. See, I've told you police all the other murders have been done and all the rest. How come about Terry Smith? They're all connected to Terry Smith, but the police to hide everything but the fucking truth. Because their hands are with Cheryl Welland and the murder, and the two trying to murder me. They fucking make me crazy so they can just fucking murder me. That's the idea. Wait a bit. I never used this thing. I kept it for the day I need to use it. They done it this morning when they put the keys in the car. Oh yeah, one other time they done it. That's right. Sorry. One other time they done it, but I had to use it. And but this is part of the claim of $70 million.